everyone. In this video I'm going to be doing a part 2 on how to make a unit defense game. Now, unit defense is not the same as tower defense. Unit defense is, for example, like this game I have here, which is the original game from last video, and I made it. So, the thing with unit defense games that is not like tower defense is that is completely different. So, for example, some enemies are going to spawn here at some point. They will come and try to attack the bus that I have set up as my base. And this is the barrier that we have to destroy. So yeah, that's pretty much the game. I made admin commands for this. And a new unit by last time. And I also added mobile support. Crap, he's gonna get to the... Somewhere here we should be able to press the button, but not right now apparently. Now our bus is going to go this way and then we won. And then it tries to teleport us back. Now, there's no real boss in this, so let's make one. So in replicated storage missions, we're gonna rename this to 4. Now I'm gonna have to create a new enemy for this boss. Now if we go to the actual game, Dead Ahead Zombie Warfare on mobile, and yes, I did copy the idea from a mobile game. So one thing that we're gonna want to do is, well, we need to look at the enemies. Now, where is it the first boss? Not this guy. This is not the first boss. Where is it? Yes, this boss. This one. The paramedic is the first boss. Yeah, it's not that quick. But it has a lot of health and a lot of damage. With 300 special attack damage. That's a lot. So, I'm going to get to work on making this enemy. First, I'm going to make a little background of some wooden crates. Put it in here. Are the parts incurred? No, darn it. So, what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna take the bus, rename destroyed bus, rotate it like this, undo all of the scripts and such. I'm just gonna anchor everything. Then I'm going to put that in level 4. Now we have to design the zombie. I'm going to get this zombie, press F to center it to the zombie. Name paramedic zombie. Now we're going to need a med kit. So we're going to paste this into the paramedic zombie. Add a weld constraint should do. We will weld this to the torso. Now, I'm going to have this go to the zombie's back. Now we need a charger or something. I don't know. This zombie is gonna be tough to beat. I'm going to make its humanoid health 350. Enemy AI should work as intends. Now the humanoid walk speed's gonna be 2. So, what do we want to do next? We're gonna want to make its damage 10. And then make its defibrillator attack or whatever. Or actually, we don't have to have that. This should work as intended so far, except what I'm going to do to make it differ from the original game is make it heal itself from 10 HP every few seconds. While true, do, wait, 20, script.parent.humanoid. Health plus equals 20. Well, if script.parent.humanoid.health plus 20 is less than 350, then else script.parent.humanoid.health equals 350. 350. Yeah, we should probably add a new script, I guess. Rename paramedic boss ability. Paste that in. Now let us see. I'm going to scale this boss up a little. And what we're going to do is right here, we're going to do workspace, wait for child, level. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this here, rotate him. Actually, since he's kind of slow and he's a boss, I'm going to put him there. Now in level 4, there's a start zombies folder. We're going to put it there. Then we can just put this in missions. Save to Roblox, publish to Roblox, And now I'm going to go to Dead Ahead the lobby. I've changed some things in this. So another thing we're going to want to do now. In the teleport GUI, we're going to go to the scrolling frame app, duplicate the mission 3 button, rename mission 4, change the text of to whatever you want. Now I'm going to change this to 4. File, save, file, publish, file, save, file, publish. Now I can go to my Discord server for this and just announce it there. So I said that to the person that wanted this that I would make a few new zombies as well. So let's make another zombie. This one should be, let's think, how about a super strong but super slow zombie? Duplicate, rename, maybe let me think. Heavy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scale it up a little. Add a part. Set 1,1,1. Ball. That is smooth plastic. And what color is this? Camo. Camo. I'm going to scale this down a little. To make it look like it's mutated. Now all I have to do is add some weld constraints to weld it to the head. Now just add to the humanoid's health. And now I'm going to make that spawn in mission 4. Equals 4, then 6. Chance equals 4, or chance equals 5, or chance equals 6. I'm gonna make this 7, not 67, 7. No, not there. Yes, sorry. I'm gonna make this 7. Equals 7. Then heavy. File, save to Roblox. We have a new enemy now. Now, here's another thing. The barrel you drop on the enemy's heads. I'm actually going to look at the script for it a little bit, see why it wouldn't work before. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the game and see if I can spawn in a barrel. So, rage, some big amount of rage, cola, some big amount of cola. Yes, there's my barrel. And I can drop that and it should go down, but it goes to the side for some reason. Huh? Oh. Yeah. Here's the thing. I'm probably going to have to set the position to nil. Now, here we go. What? So there's definitely some errors, but yeah, it's a decent game. So the way this empty barrel works, there's another event called spawn ability. It's an abilities folder with all the abilities. And in the unit frame we have the empty barrel, which is a drop on, so it has all this stuff so that you can drop it on the enemy. Then there is, in the ability main, it adds the rage currency, which is what you use for abilities. And it just does this to spawn in the ability. So that's how that works. I think that'll be it for this video, everyone. See ya!